Thank you so much. Thank you to the musician. Before I do my last song, I would just like to say thank you to Guy and Laurie. I was here last year, the year before. Every year it gets better and better. So congratulations to everybody. So my last song, we had last year back in Tahiti the official World Cup of the beach soccer sport. So I have the privilege of writing the song and share this event, this big event. I was in the stadium with with everybody. It was very big. It was very nice, the best ever. So this is my song, Tu'e Popo. Thank you. Tout le monde veut jouer, tout le monde veut gagner. Everybody wants to play, and everybody wants to run. Everybody wants to party. Welcome to Tahiti. Bienvenue à Toata. Yaorana, Yamareva, demanda pa Tahiti. Paradis desilete baile, beach soccer at Tahiti.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, give it up for Sabrina.